What's up, guys? We are back home off the Carnival Jubilee, back in the studio editing videos for you.
So we went and visited all 13 bars on the ship.
These are top 5 bars you must visit on the Carnival Jubilee. So coming in at number 5 is the Redfrog bar. They have your frozen daiquiris, your frozen margaritas, all the frozen drinks. Good times. It's by the pool area, open air. They got downstairs and upstairs. We're upstairs right now.
And a good drink here I like is the Tropical Mule. It's good.
Tropical Mule is good. It's not sweet. Enjoying a dark bourbon porter. What do you have?
I have the Coors Edge.
Oh,
You know what that is? Yes. He gave you the tip.
So yeah, y'all, coming in at number 4, Flavor Town. They have all their homebrew beers. They make them here. Anything from a light amber, light lager, to an amber, to an IPA, to a porter. It's very tasty.
And the kids can play, and they got a pool right there.
Yeah. Yeah.
And Carnival, I think, is known for Havana bars with the Havana cabins and a little private pool. So.
Yeah. So we'll give this number 3 on. So that would be the Cuban iced tea and the Hotel Nacional.
I want to try that one.
Go for it.
Okay, let's see. This is the, which one was the?
That will be the Cuban iced tea.
Oh yeah, Cuban iced tea. I like it. I think I like it.
So guys, this is number 2 on my list of top 5 bars on the Carnival Jubilee. And this bar is the science-themed bar, Alchemy, and they're good for their old fashions and kind of weird cocktails.
Yeah.
Very good.
And they have a menu that lights up too. A lot of the Carnival ships have this bar.
Yeah, it's kind of like an iPad or something.
Yeah, pretty cool.
That's pretty good. Don't spill it.
I know. Cheers.
So Dr. Ink's, I think this is the number 1 bar on the top 5 list here on Carnival Jubilee.
And
I got the the Ocean Bubble.
And I got
the Doctor Special.
The Doctor Special. Yep.
Is it spicy?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Afterwards.
Well, there's peppers in the Bacardi.
Yeah. At first it's not.
So that's the cucumber. The sea cucumber. Look how green. Very cucumberous. Get the salted rim though, get all the salt.
Looks like you took a bite out of